So we've got a 2005 Ford Territory, and problem is the little clip on this is broken. So it's quite an easy fix. Stubby Phillips screwdriver. There are four little screws under here. You pop them out and you take the cover off. And this is the part that's actually broken here. A little latch mechanism. There's no little catch on it. The lid off. I'm just putting some newspaper there so it doesn't scratch the outer surface there. So we're just going to whiz out these 3 screws as well. And we've got that part off. And you can see there's no clip in there. Now here's one I bought, and you can see what part's missing. That part's missing there, the little hook part. So we just pop that out. There's you can see the little springs in there. And just lever out just here next to the hole. There and there. And this one's actually, you can see it's broken because they sit in the sun all the time and they cop a bit of work. That's why they break like that. And then that bit just comes out like so. And you can see where the broken bit is. So we're going to keep this part that aside. Let's see where that goes like so. It clips in like that. And we've got to add this part. So what you've got to do now is add those 2 springs. 1 and 2. And then we manoeuvre this around like so until the springs are located in those little pins there, like that. And that just, you can see that works. And we put that back in and it should just clip back in if it's all sitting in the right spot. It's not going on for some reason. There we go. You can see there's a little hook there now. And now we just bolt it back on there. Always good if you're doing stuff into plastic to do it up by hand, not by a tech gun. There we go. And occasionally, sometimes these don't float through as freely. What you can do is sometimes get a razor blade and just shave a little bit of the plastic off. Sometimes when they're moulded, they don't spring back as properly, so you just need to trim that up sometimes. When you're putting it back on, don't forget your little insulation there. That just protects your contents there from the hot sun. Important to have that in. And it's just a matter of putting the screws back in. And look at that. Works beautifully. There we go. stop that annoying lid that keeps popping up. You can see they've tried to stick it down with a bit of sticky tape. But it's always good to have a bit of extra storage space. Anyway, thank you for watching.